I can't believe they did this to us. Like, y'all know how many fans been waiting on this car and y'all gonna release it? So anyway, pretty much, man, the Chrysler 300 has gotten an SRT model and it's not available for North America. Once I seen it, I was like, wow, like I can't believe they did that. Like, you know how many fans, Chrysler 300 fans was waiting on an SRT model, let alone a Hellcat model. Like, I can't wait till Big Truck Series make a video, because that's gonna be crazy. I know he going off, because we've been waiting since what, 2015, since there was a last SRT model or Hellcat model for the 300. Like, that's crazy. Like, they are gonna release a SRT model and it's only gonna be for, I think it was for Australia and the Middle East. But like, come on, man, that's crazy. And it's getting all the Chrysler 3, it's getting all the SRT goodies, coil springs, it's getting launch control. I even read a little bit about it, that the obviously the same thing like the Chrysler 200. It's got the, when you swap it to the S mode, it changes the gears, makes the gear shifts a little quicker, and they said it was like a 30% difference on how fast the shifts are, which is good, because I mean the shifts on that is pretty slow too. It don't really make a difference whether you put it in S mode or sport mode or not sport mode or regular drive mode. They not that fast, and I definitely don't notice a 37% faster shift rate. But it's got some nice new wheels on it. It's got the SRT cloth seats on it. There was a few other little goodies in there. It's got the Brembo brakes, 20-inch wheels. It's nice. I like it, and I like it. I like the way it looked. I thought the 300 was always a better looking car, because it was more of a performance luxury more than the Charger was. I feel like the Charger was just straight performance. The Chrysler 300 is more of the luxury performance one, at least for the FCA brand. So when I seen that, man, I was like, yo, I gotta make a video, because this is crazy. Only not for North America, y'all. All this time we've been waiting for a Chrysler 300 SRT model, or all the fans that's been waiting, dying. Hopefully they make a Hellcat model, whatever they want. Not getting it. They made it, but we not getting it, y'all. It's ridiculous. Ford, it's got the 6.4 in it, same as the Scat Pack motor on the Charger, 485 horsepower. So I don't know, man, that's kind of crazy. I think we've been waiting so long to get that 6.4 motor put back in the 300 for North America, and then they did it and we didn't get it. And I think they naming it the SRT Core. Like, there's a standard model and there's a higher model as well. I think the Middle East gets only the Core, and then what was the other one? I can't remember what it was. What other country gets two different SRT models? And I'm like, dang, they couldn't even give us one SRT model. So that's one I can't wait till Big Truck Series make a video about it, because I know he had seen it already. That's the only dude I know on YouTube actually that's actually been waiting for that 300 model so long. He had a other 300 model, all black one. It was nice. It sounded great too. So a couple other things about it. Had the I think it had the active valve control and all that good stuff to make it loud, make it quiet whenever you want. The picture that they have right here, this is in a white with some black, like they look like a metallic black wheel with red Brembo brakes, front and back. Like I said, I like it. It's got that original wing on it that it used to have on the old SRT models or the sport model. I like it. I like the way it looked. I wish I would have, and obviously I know it's not for North America, because you can see in this picture right here that it's only for right-hand driving. So dang, that's crazy, yo. I can't believe it. I'm like, what, yo? It just blew my mind. Like, yo, like people been waiting for a performance 300 for so long, and they finally did it, and they didn't even give it to us. So hopefully they got some type of plan for it coming out soon. But I did also read that this was a competitor for Charger, because the Charger Scat Pack obviously will be a comparison to the 300, because the same motor, same specs, same build quality, same everything. But they were saying that the Mid East and the other country were getting that model to compete with the Charger in North America, which don't make no sense, because that Chrysler 300 would sell here. That's what I don't understand. I think that would sell crazy. It probably might sell more than the Charger if they actually threw a Hellcat motor in it. But let me know how y'all feel about that. I had to make a video. I just think it's crazy. You know, I know your boy looking rough. Don't worry about that. I might get a cut real soon before I go out to California. So, that's it, man. Yo, listen, y'all have a good rest of your day, man. Stay tuned for the next video, because I did order some parts for that bad boy right there. I ordered some parts for her, so they should be here either before I leave to California, or if they not, we'll just be doing the mods when I come back. So. Dang, she looking good. I know most of y'all like, he got a whole driveway and a car ain't in the driveway, but I'm about to cut the grass, that's why. Look at that baby, man. She looking good. But all right, y'all. Listen, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, man. Have a good one. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.